Are you still filming the same training video for the fifth time because someone found a typo in the script? Like, think about that. You've got a professional video for employee onboarding or compliance training. One word needs to change, one policy update. And your options are refilm the whole thing with lights, cameras, actors, or just leave it wrong. That's the trap most L&D teams are in right now. Traditional video production is slow, expensive, and impossible to update. And the AI alternatives? Most of them charge you per video, which means every time you need to update something, you're paying again. I've been stuck in this exact cycle, paying video production companies thousands of dollars for content that went stale in 6 months. Then I found Colossyan, and I need to be upfront. This is not just another AI avatar tool. This is built specifically for training and learning, a different use case entirely. So in this review, I'm showing you exactly how Colossyan works, how it stacks up against Synthesia and HeyGen, and whether it's the tool that finally lets L&D teams create and update training videos at scale, or if there's a catch. Links in the description. Go check it out. But stick around because there's one feature in Colossyan that most training tools don't have, and it completely changes how employees interact with content. I'll get to that. Let's dive in. Okay? So here's the uncomfortable truth about corporate training videos. They're either incredibly expensive to make or they look cheap and nobody watches them. Traditional video production means hiring a crew, booking a studio, finding presenters, scripting, filming, editing. You're looking at $5,000 to $10,000 minimum for a single training series. And the turnaround? Weeks, sometimes months. And the worst part? The second anything changes, a policy update, a new regulation, a product feature, you're either refilming the whole thing or just living with outdated content. So L&D teams turn to AI avatar tools. Synthesia and HeyGen are the big ones, and they're good. Don't get me wrong. But here's the catch with both. Synthesia charges per video credit. Their starter plan is $18 a month if you pay annually, but you only get 10 video credits per month, which sounds fine until you realize that updating a video also costs a credit. So if you've got 20 training modules and half of them need updates every quarter, you're burning through credits fast. Their creator plan jumps to $64 a month annually, or $89 a month if you pay monthly. HeyGen is similar. Creator plan is $24 to $29 a month. But same deal. Limited video minutes per month. Teams plan is $30 to $39 per seat per month, with a 2-seat minimum. And neither of them are really built for training. They're built for marketing, explainer videos, social content. Which is fine, but training has different needs. You need interactive quizzes. You need branching scenarios where learners make choices. You need SCORM export so the videos work in your learning management system. You need compliance tracking. Most AI avatar tools don't have that. They're just videos. That's where Colossyan comes in. And the pitch? Unlimited videos on the business plan. Not credits, not minutes, unlimited. For $88 a month. Plus built-in training features, interactive quizzes, branching, SCORM, all of it. Let's see if that's real. All right. So I signed up for Colossyan. They've got a free plan, fun some 3 minutes of video per month just to test it. No credit card. The interface loads, and the first thing I notice, it's clean. Not overwhelming, just a simple workspace. First test, I uploaded a PowerPoint deck. Our standard employee onboarding presentation. 20 slides. Colossyan imported it in about 10 seconds. And here's the cool part, it kept the slides as backgrounds. So each slide became a scene in the video, with an AI avatar narrating the content. I picked an avatar. They've got over 200 options on the enterprise plan, but even the starter plan has 70 plus avatars, different ages, ethnicities, professional versus casual. I went with a professional-looking woman in business attire. Then I picked a voice. Over 600 AI voices across 100 plus languages. I chose a clear, neutral American English voice. Hit generate. And within about 2 minutes, I had a full video, 20 scenes. The avatar narrating each slide, natural pacing, good lip sync. And here's the feature I teased earlier, Bezlias, the one that changes how employees interact with training. Interactive quizzes. I clicked Add Interaction on one of the scenes. Chose Multiple Choice Question. Typed in a question. What is our company's core value? Added 4 answer options. Marked the correct one. And now, when employees watch the video, they get a quiz question mid-video. If they get it wrong, the video loops back to review the content. If they get it right, it continues. That's not just a video anymore. That's an interactive learning experience. And most AI avatar tools don't do this. Next test, translation. I hit auto-translate, selected Spanish, clicked generate, and within about 3 minutes, I had a full Spanish version. Same avatar, Spanish voice, natural lip sync in Spanish, no refilming, no hiring a Spanish voice actor, just click and done. And the quality? I showed it to a native Spanish speaker on our team. They said the pronunciation was solid, better than most AI tools. Final test, custom avatar. On the business plan, you can clone your own voice and create a custom avatar of yourself or a specific trainer. I recorded about 2 minutes of sample audio, uploaded it, and Colossyan generated a voice clone. The result? Not perfect. You can tell it's AI if you listen closely. But for training videos where the goal is information delivery, not cinematic realism, it's more than good enough. So how does this fit into a real L&D workflow? For us, Colossyan replaced the content update bottleneck. Before, if we needed to update a training video, we'd either refilm it, expensive, slow, or just leave it outdated, bad for compliance. With Colossyan, we edit the script, regenerate the video, done. Takes maybe 10 minutes. The learning curve is shallow. If you can use PowerPoint, you can use Colossyan. The interface is drag and drop, no timeline editing, no complex video software, and the SCORM export is huge. We upload the videos directly to our LMS, Docebo. They track completion rates, quiz scores, everything. Support-wise, Colossyan has live chat, email support, and a solid help center. I used the chat once when I couldn't figure out branching scenarios. Got a response in under 5 minutes. Problem solved. And they're SOC2 and GDPR compliant, which matters if you're dealing with employee data or operating in Europe. There's also a Facebook community and regular webinars where they showcase new features. The team is active and responsive. Okay, real talk. Pros and cons. No sugarcoating. Pros. 1. Unlimited videos on the business plan, $88 a month. Unlimited. Compare that to Synthesia's 10 credits per month at $18, and you burn through those fast if you're updating content. 2. Built-in training features, interactive quizzes, branching scenarios, SCORM export. This is not just an AI video tool, it's a training platform. Most competitors don't have this. 3. Auto-translation is seamless. 100 plus languages. One-click translation with natural lip sync. For global companies, this is a game changer. 4. PPT and PDF import. You can turn existing training materials into videos in minutes. No recreating content from scratch. 5. The avatars are really good. The Neo2 avatars, their newest, are hyper-realistic. Natural expressions, smooth motion, professional presence. Cons. 1. The starter plan is limited. $27 a month for only 15 minutes of video per month. If you're creating serious training content, you'll need the business plan at $88 a month. 2. Rendering can be slow. Compared to Synthesia, Colossyan takes a bit longer to generate videos. Not a deal breaker, but if you're in a rush, it's noticeable. 3. Not as many integrations as Synthesia. Synthesia has deeper enterprise integrations with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. Colossyan focuses more on LMS integrations, which is fine for L&D, but limiting for other use cases. 4. Custom avatars are pricey. They're only available on the enterprise plan, which has custom pricing. If you need a branded avatar of your CEO or specific trainer, you'll be paying enterprise rates. Who this is not for. If you're creating marketing videos or social content, Synthesia or HeyGen are probably better fits. They're built for that. If you need hyper-realistic avatars for cinematic content, HeyGen's Avatar for 4 is currently the most realistic on the market. And if you're a solo creator making occasional videos, the free plans of Synthesia or HeyGen might be more cost-effective than Colossyan's starter plan. All right, final verdict. Who should try Colossyan? You should try Colossyan if you're an L&D team creating employee training, onboarding, or compliance videos. A company that needs to update training content frequently, operating globally and need multilingual training without hiring translators, looking for interactive training, quizzes, branching, not just passive videos Tired of per video or per credit pricing that punishes content updates? Who should skip it? Skip it if you are creating marketing videos, social content, or explainer videos. Use Synthesia or HeyGen instead. Need hyper-realistic avatars for cinematic content? HeyGen Avatar 4 is currently better. Are a solo creator making occasional videos? Free tiers of competitors might be enough. Don't need training-specific features like SCORM, quizzes, or LMS integration. For me, Colossyan is the best AI video tool I've found for training and learning and development. The unlimited videos on the business plan at $88 a month beat Synthesia's credit model. And the training features, quizzes, branching, SCORM, actually make it a learning platform, not just a video generator. Here's what I'd say. Try the free plan. 3 minutes of video. Test the PPT import. Generate a quick training module. See if the interactive features and translation actually save you time. If they do, and I think they will, the business plan at $88 a month is a no-brainer compared to what you'd pay for traditional video production. Grab it through my link in the show notes, and it helps support the podcast, and you'll land right on the sign-up page. And hey, if you're already using Colossyan or you've got questions, drop a comment. I read every single one. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking around. Catch you next time.